Today I am on the Chauteau Island Nature Trail. I am right at the east end of the Chain of Rocks Bridge, which you can see right behind me. This isn't a real long trail. It heads out towards the highway and then up towards the river and just makes a loop. We're going to check it out. Let's go. Looks like there should be some park information here, but it has long been defaced and offers nothing of interest. Over here off the trail, we have a trail marker. I think we are at B. The trail should proceed. I think we're right about, well, B. I think we're right about here, and the trail should proceed along the eastern edge of this little pond. I'm going to backtrack a little bit and see if we see anything, but I'm afraid that this trail is going to be a bust. So I went back a little. It does not look like there is a trail that exists going up this way. I'm guessing what I'm seeing is the trail continuing this way. We're going to go up to the next intersection, and if I had to guess, my guess is it's going to come up here, go along there, and then come down and connect to the parking area, fishing area down there on the river. We'll check it out. Well, I was crossing the bridge on the return trip off to the south. I did see a sign that looked like that in the distance. I mean, it was on a post. I couldn't read it. It was too far away. But I did see what looked like a trail marker sign or informational sign off here in that direction. But I didn't see any sort of real trail. And even when I was looking down from the bridge, it was pretty hard to determine if there was any trail in the area. So it's not looking too good here. I saw this buoy from the bridge, which is right behind me. It's nice to see that some of the brown is being replaced by new spring growth. Doesn't look like there's much of a trail beyond this. Push up here a little bit further. Okay, this is it. And that pretty much seems to be the end of the trail. Looks like there's a cone down here, so I guess we'll go check that out since we're here. For some reason, we just have a traffic cone sitting here. Okay, I see another one of the trail marker signs over here. It is not the one that I saw before, but we're going to go over and check it out, see if there's any sign of a trail over by it. So if I had to guess, I'd say we're probably here. Or actually, we're probably here. I don't see a sign of a trail in any direction. So I think this is right where we're at. I'm gonna head back this way. These bees are actually benches. And that sign I saw was somewhere over in this direction. So I'm gonna kind of make my way over there, I think, or do a little bit of exploring. Well, I see a sign here. I'm guessing it's just an abandoned informational sign like we saw there a few minutes ago, but we'll head over this way and check it out. There might be the very faintest part of a trace of a trail here, but it is not definite enough, and I certainly wouldn't call it a trail. Well, there's a trail that goes off here to the left, so we'll check that out in just a moment. It does seem that this is indeed a decrepit, abandoned informational sign. There is a bench right here, although it has seen better days, and another trail map. So let's come up here, take a quick look. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. So that trail that I just saw going off to the left is probably this. We'll check that out. Looks like somebody's been riding a dirt bike along this path. I have a little more faith that this trail is going to have a destination because there's a parking lot right up here, and I can see the cars through it. So my guess is that this part of the trail just heads to that. Yep, that's where this comes out, the parking lot. Got another sign here. We'll take a look at that. So we're right about here. There is no bench that we passed. So let's head out and see if we can complete this part of the trail. Looks like this is pretty much the end of the trail. Again, I don't know that I'd call this a trail going through here. Well, we have to go back this way, so let's see if we can find that other sign that I saw from the bridge. I think I may have found the sign just off here to the left. be honest, I'm not exactly sure where we would be. Maybe here or here. You see the bridge there through the trees, but this looks about the orientation of the sign that I thought I saw. All right, I'm gonna make my way back to the parking lot. There is really nothing here to see in terms of hiking. Well, that's been the Chauteau Nature Trail here in Illinois. I'd have to say this is probably the worst park I've been to. The bridge is great. The care and attention given to the nature trail is non-existent, and so yeah, I would probably rank this as the worst trail I've ever been on or attempted. In any case, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.